I'm Robin Meehan. I'm the CTO and co-founder of Inawisdom. Inawisdom is a data analytics, artificial intelligence and machine learning specialist that helps organizations to leverage the latent value in their data, the data that they hold in combination with external data sets as well. We serve global customers across the United Kingdom and the EMEA region. We're also an all-in AWS Premier partner. And so we're using a combination of the latest generation Intel-based instance types such as C5s, R5s, T3s to achieve the optimal price performance characteristic for our workloads. We're using Intel technology both at the edge with ADLINK and also in the cloud with AWS. This allows our machine learning models to be portable and to run seamlessly and deliver results in a consistent and resilient manner.
Hi, my name is Niels Koudstee. I'm Product Director for Edge Solutions at ADLINK Technology. ADLINK is a global leader in edge computing. We enable industrial and customers and system integrators to leverage AI at the edge to make decisions in real time to generate business value by means of our ADLINK Edge IoT and machine vision software platform. Our edge solutions can be combined and scaled for deployment with ADLINK's wide range of hardware for a variety of applications. We are also strategic partners of Intel as well as AWS and work closely with Inawisdom.
We've seen growing interest in organizations looking to apply tech in a health and safety context. For our customer, Balfour Beatty, health and safety is always a critical consideration. And they need to identify whether their staff are entering sites without the correct protective equipment, PPE. So are they wearing hard hats? Are they wearing high-vis jackets and so on? So we joined forces with ADLINK to create a proof of concept using computer vision and AI. Now, the technical challenges here are that this identification needs to be generally performed in real time and at the point of image capture, so i.e. at the edge, so that we need to deploy in a remote location that's without internet connectivity.
In this proof of concept, ADLINK provides a technology platform that enables connectivity between the hardware and the software modules to build a solution that enables machine vision and AI to drive action and deliver business value at the edge. The ADLINK Edge platform connects to the camera, performs the image acquisition, and collects the training data that is required to train the AI model. We work with Inawisdom, drawing upon their expertise in data science, to build and train an AI model to suit the use case required. In this case, it's about detecting personal protective equipment. Once the AI model is trained, the ADLINK Edge platform provides the means to deploy that trained AI model at the edge and perform the AI inferencing on the live vision data from the camera and make decisions in real time. The inference engine with the AI model is running on ADLINK's Neon smart camera. This provides the integration with the Intel hardware and Intel OpenVINO inference engine to ensure optimal performance. This hardware and software optimization is made possible with the Intel Movidius visual processing unit on the Neon smart camera. This is a fully scalable solution and can be used on any other Intel hardware thanks to the OpenVINO toolkit, which facilitates the optimization of deep learning models from a framework and deployment using an inference engine. Here we also see the benefits of the edge computing. Robin already mentioned it. You need to run the model at the edge on the camera itself. It's a lot faster. And it also doesn't require the connectivity and making the action in real time and making the decision based on the outcome of the inference results makes it suitable for deployment in an industrial environment, whether that's in the factory floor or a construction site, warehouse, or wherever.
Once the images are captured by the Neon smart camera at the edge, it can be immediately analyzed by our AI models running locally on the ADLINK device. So to do this, we built TensorFlow models, so deep learning models using Amazon SageMaker, using a technique called transfer learning. These models continuously detect multiple objects in the frames of the captured video, identifying those with a bounding box and assigning a confidence score to each identified object. And to do this, we collected our own training data. And we use various techniques to make our training data more robust to certain environmental conditions, such as different lighting conditions or image blurring, for example. After we've trained our model using Amazon SageMaker, then the final step of the process is to optimize our model for edge deployment using Intel's OpenVINO toolkit, and then we deploy to the edge on the ADLINK device.
The outcome is that we can use the PPE detection model as a health and safety solution to drive action, for example, automated or remote access control on site, gates within factories, oil rigs, hazardous work environments, or train the model to detect other forms of PPE.
We were able to show Alpha BT with a successful POC, proof of concept, that it's possible to recognize PPE in different environments and conditions. That was one of the key areas we were trying to test. The wider business value is to obviously improve health and safety management in general, keep workers safe, keep people safe in the workplace, and to demonstrate quality management compliance and provide a better audit trail of that compliance. Using machine vision AI, we can also automate repetitive sort of manual inspection tasks that people may be carrying out, and then that workforce can be deployed to higher value activities.
So this is a health and safety proof of concept, and health and safety applies to any vertical. And there's a massive market opportunity for machine vision AI to help, and that really applies to any vertical. There's also a lot of opportunities in other areas for machine vision. For instance, validating orders that are packed correctly on warehouse pallets and distribution centers, providing quality inspection on production lines, for example. Our whole technology stack remains the same. So you just need to build and train a new model to fit your requirements. That's where Inawisdom have the expertise to build the model you need, and you can use ADLINK's technology stack to deploy it very quickly.
Deep learning is able to recognize all sorts of objects and situations, and we can use this type of image processing across multiple industries. Given the global pandemic, an obvious example that's, I guess, very current for all of us is the ability to manage retail and public environments where PPE may now be mandatory, and we want to demonstrate and check compliance. The possibilities for AI and machine learning really are limitless, and we see this in our work every day at Inawisdom. We have the ability to create and deploy models to support all types of so real-time and offline health and safety related PPE identification requirements. And we certainly see the adoption of this type of technology as a growing trend.